Hello, and thank you for visiting our website. Over the past 20 years, Interactive Training Solutions has been involved with the development of multimedia training programs dedicated specifically toward the offshore oil and maritime industries. These training programs are available both on and offline. Our client base represents an extensive list of maritime academies, offshore oil companies, shipping lines, government agencies, and training organizations. Over the years, they have been successfully using our training programs to enhance the safety and efficiency of their maritime operations. And last but not least, our clients have provided valuable input for enhancing the performance and content of the training programs of Interactive Training Solutions.
To enhance your learning experience and retention, the training content is delivered via interactive 3D graphics, animations, and realistic simulations. Furthermore, to fit your knowledge levels, the programs detect your competency via specific questions. Based on your response, the program will direct you to the appropriate subject. Exam Prep Licensing is an all-in-one solution to prepare you for passing the relevant U.S. Coast Guard and other flag state examinations. Additionally, the Exam Prep Licensing includes tests tailored for dynamic positioning operators and OIMs of floating production platforms. Video references provide additional training, including seminar presentations by subject matter experts and actual maritime incidents. Interactive Training Solutions has specialized in the development of internet-based and virtual reality 3D simulators, as related to the objectives of its training programs. These simulators use special platform for rendering real 3D models of various type vessels and their control panels. Also known as a learning management system, LMS, the Qualification Tracker, QT, is a simplified application for monitoring training progress and performance of trainees. The QT resides on our website. The QT is adaptable to the SCORM or AICC standard, whereby your selected training programs and LMS resides on your company intranet. The subject matter experts and programmers of Interactive Training Solutions develop unique applications for measuring the performance of all types of vessels. Such measurements, for example, include stability, motions, periods, and others.
The e-learning from Interactive Training Solutions ITS is a fantastic tool. I have learned and gained so much from doing the programs on marine operations of jack-up units and RPD training and guidance. The support that was given to me was top-notch. I'm glad that I was able to contact you guys to sort out things that I was unsure about, and that your responses were greatly appreciated and very timely. Couldn't ask for anything better. Being able to do your courses was a tremendous step in going on to accomplish my stability for MODIS and OIM licensing. I recommend ITS e-learning to all persons in the offshore energy and maritime industries. Kudos to the team and keep up the great work.
Over the past 28 years, I've been working on jack-up drilling units from various types and sizes. The training information that one gains from the jack-up training program surpasses all I ever received from formal stability classes. It has also proved beneficial to my co-workers in their pursuit of promotion in the offshore drilling industry. It takes you from basic to in-depth stability training. This knowledge can give the rig mover the ability to make the jack-up a safe and secure place to work when it comes to moving from location to location. Great for anyone that wants to understand how a jack-up works with all the forces it will encounter. Not all the information will be retained during the sessions, so the e-training program is like having the instructor 24/7. It has made me a more confident rig mover, and I still go back into the programs from time to time for a refresher. As a rig mover, I have known about and had personal experience of RPD since the year 2000. Over the last decade, the feature of RPD has become more and more prominent as rig locations become more demanding, whether they are standalone, alongside a platform, or locations containing previous footprints. Some rig movers, barge engineers, rig managers, OIMs, tool pushers, surveyors, clients, etc. in our industry will claim to know about RPD, and indeed some will have had experience of it, and perhaps to their misfortune. So it is essential for the operator that RPD is fully understood, but more importantly, to know how to react to a given situation so that the rig can be safely located as efficiently as possible without damage and with reduced wear and tear on its components.
I have just finished the RPD course. Very clear and handy guidelines and covers a lot of aspects. As I have been working in soft soil areas all the time, it was really useful to me to see leg and RPD behavior in other environmental conditions. I would advise this course to be done by deck supervisors and drilling crews who are leg captains on rig move, and sometimes I'm having difficulties to explain why do we need to do it and how to measure it. I wish I could apply same to some very stubborn clients' reps during explanation why we are not jacking and doing measurements.
The RPD Training and Guidance Interactive Training Program from ITS is an excellent tool to have at my disposal, and it is the first RPD training program that I have seen that covers the subject of RPD thoroughly. I have used the program to my benefit. It is a program that I retain for continual use and not just as something that I can say I have completed as a one-off course. The program has allowed me to interpret what the soil conditions are communicating to the rig via RPD, and I have then been able to decide what action to take that has allowed me to elevate the rig to final air gap without the RPD values climbing out of control. In my opinion, the RPD Training and Guidance Interactive Training Program from ITS is simply the best RPD training tool available to our industry.
The ITS program, Stability for Drillship Operations, online training, I undertook prior to my comprehensive stability course, was invaluable. I was able to learn at my own pace and fit in with my own schedule. The easy-to-use software allowed me to review or repeat lessons or parts of lessons to clarify concepts that were new to me, unlike the traditional classroom method. Thanks to completing the ITS program, most of the time I spent in the classroom was theory revision and practice calculations. ITS gave me a solid base for a very successful pass on my stability exam.
I have reviewed your e-training program, Stability for Semi-Submersible, and have found it to be a good program suitable for providing entry and advanced levels knowledge into my stability courses. Additionally, I made your course available to the students in my surface stability course at Shell's Robert Training Center. The students believe that all future Shell personnel should complete your course prior to attending my surface stability course. I concur. My course is designed on the assumption that attendees have at least 6 months' experience as a trainee in the ballast control room before attending my surface stability course. Lately, some students have not had that experience and they have had to struggle to grasp stability basics. I believe that successful completion of your course could be substituted for the 6 months' experience requirements.
The Stability for FPSO Operations training program has proved very useful over the last year for a number of reasons. It now forms part of the ongoing competency assurance process for the marine personnel on board, and I have also used a number of the animations in a marine familiarization presentation that I gave for non-marine crew on our FPSO.
The Stability for FPSO Operations is a very good training program. I found it easy to follow and clear in its instructions, an extremely useful training tool, good graphics, clear instructions, easily understood English, and sensible progressive learning steps. An all-round good program.